So first of all, you've got to be really careful that you don't just have that canned response right back. If somebody messages me, I am going to look at who is this person? Let me see their profile. What do they got going on, right? Because you never know. When somebody is connecting with you, is this a potential client? Is this a potential mastermind friend in the future? Somebody I could be doing collaborations with? Somebody that has a phenomenal podcast that's already out? I remember I was talking to somebody or saw somebody in Clubhouse and was like, "Ooh, I love this person." I go to my Instagram to DM them and they were already following me. I'm like, okay, this is even better because I was about to pitch her on something, and knowing that she knew who I was like, perfect, right? It's a really great way to make those connections. So my point is always, what are you trying to do, but who is this person a good fit for? Okay. So know your intention of what, not just what they came for, what they DM'd you, but what do you think would be a good fit for this person? Where do you see this working out? And how do you see yourself collaborating, connecting on a deeper level with them? Because sometimes people are a little awkward in DMs. They don't know what to say. It's like, hey, heard your Clubhouse. It was great. Done, right? So maybe you need to be the strategist here and come up with a great idea, potential collaboration. Hey, I've noticed your profile, you do this. Did you know we do XYZ? I think this would be a great fit for you, right? Like starting that conversation. So we are very big on don't just copy paste your response or copy paste what you're ready for. We have real conversations with people in the DMs.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.